Okay, so welcome back. So what I have done now is I've created a process plan for that part. First thing we're going to do is we're going to center drill this 156 diameter hole. Then we're going to center drill and ream this hole. We're going to rough mill the periphery, 4 to 5 passes, 100 to 150 thousandths deep, and we're going to finish mill that periphery of that part. Then we're going to flip the part over, and we're going to put this spot face on. We're going to rough mill the periphery. We're going to finish mill that periphery. Then we're going to rough mill this again using the radius cutter and finish mill with that radius cutter. So now that we've done this, we need to figure out all the points that we're going to use in this program when we program this on the Prototrax. So our first hole here is this 156 hole. Now, if you look up here, we have X and Y, we have 4 quadrants. Now, if we establish our 0 is here, that means that any point back here is going to be in the minus X direction. Any point this way is going to be in the plus X direction. So if we look at point 1, our X is going to be 1.250, and our Y will be minus 0.5. Next point is the second hole. That's at 5/16 hole. The length on that is 1.750, and again this is minus 0.5 in the Y direction. Point 3, we're going to start with our end mill outside the part, but we're going to start with it right here on this edge. So let's give ourselves a ½ inch on this, minus 0.5, and we're going to, the Y on that is going to be 0. Now that is going to move across to point 4. So at point 4, we are at 1.75 in the X direction and 0 in the Y direction. Point 5, we're going to swing this radius. The center is already here at point 2, so we don't have to worry about where that center is. We're going to call that back though. But we need to know this location. So X on this, again, is 1.750, and the Y now has moved downward in the Y direction to minus 1. And then point 6, we're going to come off the part with this, and that will be, let's come off the part a ½ inch, 0.5, and our Y is going to be minus 1. Now we'll talk about putting it actually into the Prototrax program.